Hi there, my name is Ingrid. I love working with children so much that I decided to go back to school and obtain a early childhood education degree. After graduation, I was able to find a job at a daycare, a prestigious daycare. At the beginning, everything was fine. I love what I was doing. However, that as time passed by, that changed. I started getting tired working the long hours. I didn't get to see family. And basically, it was just work, 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 work. So I wasn't really happy with my job at that point. So I started thinking about quitting because I wasn't happy anymore. I wasn't really motivated to go back to work, and the lack of appreciation for what I did made it a little bit worse. So I decided at that point, I decided just to try to see what will happen because I wasn't really happy. So I just took the leap and brought Preschool in the box. And let me tell you, that was the best decision that I could ever make. The program is so easy to follow. She gives you step by step. And she actually tells you to finish one step first before you go to the second one, and then so on and so forth. Is amazing. For the people that are on the fence about doing it, don't be, just jump. Just take the leap, jump. Believe me, it is the best decision that you will ever make.
Hey, have you heard about Preschool in a Box? It's literally the one thing I wished I had when I started my preschool 10 years ago. It would have saved me so much time and so much money. Instead, I did the wrong things at the wrong time. Waste of time, I tell you. I can't wait to tell you all about Preschool in a Box. All the things I wish I had, like curriculum. Oh my gosh, can I even tell you how many hours I spent every single night on Pinterest and Facebook groups and the blogs and Google trying to find activities to do for lessons the next day. Or forms. What the heck was I supposed to give to my preschool families? What was I supposed to include in a policies and procedures handbook? Or marketing. How was I supposed to sign up kids? I had a preschool to fill and I had money that I needed at the end of the month, but how was I going to get that tuition, right? All of those components are inside of Preschool in a Box and a whole lot more. I want to get you Preschool in a Box. I've got an exclusive opportunity for you. When you join our Preschool All-Stars membership, not only will you be surrounded by myself and hundreds of preschool owners cheering you on during your journey, you get an exclusive discount on Preschool in a Box. I'm talking out of this world. When people see it, they kind of lose their mind. They're so excited, ready to grab it right away. I can't wait to get you your exclusive discount on Preschool in a Box. Just join Preschool All-Stars. Click the link in the description or go to preschoolallstars.com. It's going to be like Christmas.